Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a Cash App card. First, open the Cash App on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, tap the card icon at the bottom of the app. This is where you manage your Cash App card. Tap the free card. Cash App card are free and there no credit check required. Now you can customize your card. You can choose color, add a signature or emoji. Once you are done, tap continue. Enter your legal name and mailing address. Make sure the address is correct so your card arrives safely. Receive your information and tap order card. Your Cash App will be shipping to you. Your card usually arrives in 7 to 14 days. Once it arrives, you will activate it directly inside the app, and that's it. That's how you get a Cash App ad. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.